A Florida Republican congressional candidate's campaign was the target of racist vandalism. Someone vandalized Glow Smith's billboard picture with white face paint. Smith is an African-American woman running in the GOP primary against Congresswoman Corinne Brown in an overwhelmingly Democratic district. This attack follows a string of bias incidents against Black Republicans. Smith says she has also had a number of signs stolen, but she did not expect this kind of attack. Still, she forgives whoever is responsible.